Q&A box. Chat option is disabled, so kindly use the Q&A box to introduce yourself. Thank you so much for joining today's cybersecurity orientation session. Um, let's start the session in 1 or 2 minutes for all the other participants to join. So meanwhile, can I quickly ask you for a quick introduction of yourself in the Q&A box? Kindly use the Q&A box. Hi, Ria. I had 2 year career break joining bootcamp to return to tech. It's really nice to see you here in this orientation session and joining back into our program. Thank you so much, Ria. Hey, Mohammed. Mohammed is from Saudi Arabia. And Alice. Alice is from Sesh. Nice to meet you too, Alice. Hey, hi, Festus from Kenyan. Hello. Hi, Kuku. Good evening. Hi, Piyush. Piyush Pratap Singh. Hi, Yakia Abraham. Hi, Whitney. Hello, Alan. Hi, Hosam. Hi, Yavar. MSCS student from Saudi Arabia. Wow. Hi, hi, Titus. Hi, Vada. Hi, Moritil. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrongly. Please excuse me. Please apologize me. And hi, Sophia. Sophia is from Portugal. Glad to meet you too. Hi, Abdullah. Hi, Tara. Hi, Mayank. Hi, Aru. Hi, Pulina. Hi, Mariam. Hi, Khalid. Hi, Ali. Hi, Sultan. Hi, Shami. Hi, Ayodeji from USA. Hello. So, hello to everyone. I'm really so glad to see such a beautiful, responses here. And it is really wonderful to meet all of you and to be a part of this program. It's really overwhelming to see such a wonderful participation in this group. Thank you so much. Hi, Camilo. Camilo is from Italy. Hi, Ravin. Hello, Lamer. Hi. Hi, Suad. Hi, Rima. Oh, thank you so much. It's really a wonderful participation here. So once again, I welcome you all to the orientation session of the cybersecurity program. So let me just quickly introduce myself. So my name is Aishwarya Sivagami and I'm the project manager from Skill Up Online. And I will be the host for today's session. So we have our support members who will be answering your questions, which you will be posting it in the Q&A box. So once again, I welcome you all to the orientation session for the cybersecurity program. We are excited to have you join us as you begin your journey into the world of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is at the forefront of protecting our digital world, safeguarding industries, and ensuring the privacy of individuals in an increasingly connected landscape. From threat detection to risk management, cybersecurity has become a critical skill, and through this program, you will acquire the knowledge needed to thrive in this fast growing and essential field. So, our curriculum has been carefully curated to provide you with the essential knowledge and the practical skills over the 10 weeks of duration. So, we are here to support you throughout this entire journey. So, please do not hesitate to ask questions at any point, whether during the sessions or after the session. Our team is here to assist and guide you as you learn. We are looking forward to an exciting learning experience together. So I would like to welcome all the participants. Thank you so much for joining today's cybersecurity orientation session. So let me just quickly share my screen. I hope my screen is visible right now.
Yes.
Can you confirm? Yeah. Thank you, Priya. So, before I start with today's session, so I would like to inform you that please make use of the Q&A box to ask any questions or queries you may have. So we have our wonderful team here who will be answering all your questions. And please make sure that you stay muted, and please make sure that your camera is off. Yeah. And once again, I welcome you all on behalf of IBM Skills Build and Skill Up Online to the cybersecurity program. So there is a link which is being displayed in the chat. So please make sure you click on the link and please register your presence, which is mark your attendance for today's orientation session on our Skills Build platform. Okay, our team is displaying the link in the chat. So kindly click on the link. Okay, so when you click on this link, it will take you to the Skills Build platform. So on the right corner, you will be having an option called Mark as Completed. So please click on Mark as Completed. So this will be considered that you have attended this orientation session. So don't worry that we will be also sharing a post-session email after this orientation session. So where you will be having the recording of this orientation session along with the attendance link, and you will have the PPT as well. So this attendance link, with the attendance link, you will be having the steps to register yourself in the platform. So, but my humble request to you is that you do it right now so that you don't miss your attendance. If you have any difficulties in marking the attendance, please put your questions in the chat, in the Q&A box, and our team will help you with it. So I have not received any question of marking the attendance. I'm sure that everyone is aware of how to mark it. So I humbly request you to kindly mark your attendance now itself. So yeah, we are resending the link, Ayan, don't worry. So Yavar, I'm saying that you will have to mark your attendance in the link which is being provided by our team in the chat. Okay. So this is like an attendance, registering your attendance for this orientation session. Okay. Hi, Mohammed. Thank you that you have marked your attendance. Thank you so much. So let me just quickly move on to the next slide. I hope everyone has marked the attendance for today's session. Thank you so much. So now let's come on to the agenda. So the agenda for today's session is going to be, we will be looking onto the program overview. So this section will likely provide a general introduction to the program and overall structure. Learning path. This section will detail the learning journey for all the participants, outlining the modules, topics, and activities, what all will be covered. And then we will be looking into the career part. So again, in this section, you might be introduced to the career paths or opportunities that this program can help you all to pursue after you complete the program with us. And then comes the program offerings. Again, this section will detail the specific elements in the program, such as the total number of hours and the number of technical sessions, etc. Delivery framework. This section again explains how the program content will be delivered, whether through online modules, instructor-led sessions, or is it a blended approach. So we will give you the detail of how this program will be carried out. And then we come to the IBM Community Discussion Board Forum. So this section may introduce a forum where participants can ask questions and share information with each other. And then we will be talking about the most important part about the IBM digital credentials. So this section is again referring to a digital badge or a record of achievement that you will be receiving once after your completion of the program. And then it's the FAQ. It's the frequently asked questions. So if you have any question, the questions of the learners which we have created as an FAQ, the common questions, and we will be showcasing that as well for your basic understanding. So this is all about the agenda for today's session. So if you have any questions, please post it in the Q&A box and I can help you answer that. All right. So let's quickly move on to the next slide. Yes. So now we have come to program overview. So now this program overview is divided into 4 parts. The first is the program design. The second is the learning methodology. Third is the lab access. And the fourth one is the final project. So now in the program design, you will be getting an learning plan where we have curated for you along with the project, right? So this project is to enhance that whatever you have learned in this 10 weeks, you can implement them to ensure that your learning is being utilized. So the courses have been finalized in terms to make the learning plan, right? So we have curated a learning plan for you, and we have curated a final project, which is which comes like that. You if you go through the self-paced, then based on the self-paced modules, you will be getting a final project, which is a real world scenario. Yeah. So this is how the program design is being made. And then we come on to the learning methodology. Now the learning methodology is again divided into 3 parts, wherein you will be having the self-paced learning, then live technical classes, and then you have your teaching assistant support, right? So in our 10-week duration, you will have to go through the self-paced courses along with the live classes. You will have to attend the live classes along with studying the self-paced courses. So you will always have the technical assistance support as well during this 10 weeks journey. And then when we come to the lab access, as you all know that the platform which we use is IBM Skills Build. So all your learnings and everything will be there in our platform, IBM Skills Build. And the tools which we will be using, okay, will be for this cybersecurity program will be Wireshark, Metasploit, Nmap, Nessus, OpenVAS, Security Incident, and Event Management Systems, right? Now we come to the final project. So final project is that you will be solving, as I told you, you will be solving real world network problems using the Wireshark tool for analysis. And you will also be learning password cracking techniques and network scanning basics. And you will identify vulnerabilities with tools like Hashcat, John the Ripper, and ZAP. Also, I would like to tell you that you will be having this lab access everything in the Skillsville platform only. So during this course, as I told you, you will be coming across all these tools which I've mentioned here. But make sure that, I mean, you will not be asked to use any of your credit cards or any financial information, because all of these hands-on practicals tools, everything is being embedded in our Skillsville platform only. So it is inbuilt in the platform. So you don't have to download anything. So these are inbuilt, and you do not require any kind of financial information of yours. Okay. So please note that this is a very important point which I wanted to tell you. So now let's move on to the next part. So next we will be learning more about what is there in the learning path and career path, right? So talk more on this, I would like to introduce Priya Dubey here. So Priya Dubey is our senior technical specialist. So she will be assisting you throughout this 10-week program. So all your queries, questions, everything she will be handling in the via email and IBM discussion board forum. So she will be available. So any questions you have, you can ask to her. So right now to take over all these slides, I request Priya to please take it over. Over to you, Priya.
Thank you, Aishwarya. So, hello everyone. So, I'm going to discuss about the learning path in this entire course of 10 weeks. So, I hope my screen is now visible to you all. Can anyone confirm the same?
Yes, it is visible, Priya.
Yeah, thank you. So the learning path for program in cybersecurity is designed in such a way where the first part is the cybersecurity fundamentals. Here in this module, we will be learning about the introduction to cybersecurity, like what is cybersecurity, what are the technical terms associated with cybersecurity. Also, on the offense perspective, you will be learning about cyber attacks, like what are the different cyber attackers, what are the tactics of cyber attackers. You will be also learning about the social engineering and along with some high profile case studies. Next, in this course of cybersecurity fundamentals, you will be learning the defense perspective, like what are different steps that a particular organization takes to prevent and detect the cyber attacks. Okay, and also in addition, when you approach this cybersecurity fundamental modules, then you will be learning about the different career options in this overgrowing field. Next, in module 2, we have instructions to access FCF and FCA courses. So, in module 2 basically gives you a PDF version of all the steps that needs to be followed to get the Fortinet courses. Like Fortinet is basically a very renowned certification program for cybersecurity courses. So, it gives you instructions of how to log into this Fortinet features and how to use this platform to get access to the upcoming modules. Okay. Next, we have in the third module, Fortinet Certified Fundamentals courses. So, Fortinet Certified Fundamentals courses, it gives you an idea about the overall cyber threat landscape. Like what is this cyber threat landscape, and in this landscape, it will include the threats that endanger the computer networks and what are the different bad actors, or we can say the cast of bad actors who are behind these threats. And also it will be telling you about the cyber threats, like cyber security principles, that if you follow those principles, then how, by following the cyber security principle, you can safeguard your computer network from these threats. So all these things will be covered in the Fortinet Certified Fundamentals course. Next, we have Fortinet Certified Associate or the FCA courses. So, Fortinet Certified Associate course is also available on the Fortinet platform, which will be giving you an overview about the cybersecurity principles and how to safeguard your own computer network using
जी
FortiGate
जी
feature. So, FortiGate feature is a very
अब
common
मैं करती
feature
हूँ.
that is used to prevent cyber attacks. So, you will be learning through various demos and simulations about how to use these FortiGate features to safeguard your network. Then, after covering the four modules, we have a final project where
क्या?
it will be based on a case
अच्छा अच्छा.
study. Okay, so which you will be given a scenario where you have to apply your cybersecurity learning that you have learned throughout the
ठीक है.
course. Okay, so this will be the final project. And lastly, we have a final quiz
अच्छा.
which will be uploaded after the week 6 or week 7 of the course. And this final quiz consists of 10 to 15 questions, and you will have to score 80% to pass this final quiz. And ultimately, after this, you will be receiving a certificate from our team. Okay, so this is the entire learning part. Now, let me give you a demo of how this learning part actually looks on the platform. So this is the learning path of program in cybersecurity. So this learning path consists of circles, okay, and there are some required modules and some of the optional modules. So you need to complete all the required modules in order to get the certificate. Okay, you can see that when you partially the circle is filled, then it will be like a partial half green circle, but all these circles should be marked as tick for you to earn the certificate. Now let me just show you how to navigate to the platform and how to access each and every module. Okay, so as I told you, the first module is cybersecurity fundamental. You just need to click over here, and this will take you to all the courses, all the modules in this course. So you can see the cybersecurity fundamentals consist of 7 modules: introduction, overview of cybersecurity, cybersecurity on the offense, on the defense, then a career in cybersecurity, what's new in cybersecurity, and show what you know. So these are the 7 modules. So after completing all these 7 modules of cybersecurity fundamentals, you will be receiving a digital credential or a badge about which my colleague Aishwarya will be discussing in the upcoming slides. So, okay, so I'm not going into more details about the digital credential. Let me just show you how to navigate through these courses. So when I click on, suppose, the first module, that's Introduction to Cybersecurity, I just click on this module and I click on Go to Activity button, and this will open up the module for me. Here I can click on Getting Started, and I can go through the entire activity that is listed inside the particular module. Click on the box I've checked it out and click on Let's Keep Going. This is how I will be completing each and every course, each and every modules in this program. So I hope this is clear to you all how to navigate through the platform. Okay, so you need to complete all these circles and all these circles should be marked complete. Okay. So let me now discuss about the career path in cybersecurity. So this career path in cybersecurity, so the 10-week programs that we are offering is a beginner level program. Okay, so it's not a we're not an advanced level program, it's just a beginner level program. So after completing this 10 weeks course, you're eligible for jobs like security technician, like entry level jobs like security technician and security analyst. Talking in more detail, the security technician is a person who looks after the overall network infrastructure, cybersecurity infrastructure of an organization. So its task includes configuring and monitoring the security systems such as the firewall, the antivirus software, intrusion detection system to ensure optimal protection. Next, you can also try for a job as a security analyst, where you will be using the historical data of the particular organization to identify the threats and the vulnerabilities. You will also investigate the suspicious activities based on the data and then respond to the security threats. If you go for more advanced courses like intermediate level courses, then you can apply for jobs like cybersecurity specialist, security engineer, and penetration testers. So basically, the cybersecurity specialist, they protects the organization data and systems by implementing security measures and responding to different threats. Then we have security engineer, who is responsible for implementing the security measures to safeguard the computer network of an organization. Next, we have penetration tester. It simulates the cyber attacks to identify and fix the vulnerabilities in an organization's security evidence. And if you go for expert level courses like more advanced one, you have cybersecurity investigator, you can be an ethical hacker, and then also you can try for cybersecurity architects positions, which are the more advanced career level options. And like I'm getting so many questions related to if we are offering the career paths, like if we are offering any job opportunities. So currently these courses, like we are at the beginner level, so after this course you will be receiving, you will be able to learn, you will have the basic understanding of cybersecurity program, and you can definitely use this learning to get a job in the market. Okay, and so this is the career path that you will be following. Okay, and if you have any question, please post it into the Q&A and I will be happy to answer. Thank you. Over to you, Aishwarya.
Thank you, Priya, for a wonderful information of the learning path and career path. So, give me a moment. I'm just sharing my screen. My screen is visible. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Thank you. So, yeah. So now we have come to a very important part here you will get the details of the whole program. So now the total program is of 10 weeks, as you all know. So the 8 weeks consist of the self-paced training, along with the instructor-led sessions, and you will have a 2 weeks of final classes, and you will be also having one live instructor-led session. So let me detail you. Let me brief you in detail. So now we have a total hours required for this 10-week duration is that 69 hours. All right. So in 69 hours, you will have to contribute for this program in cybersecurity learning. You will be having two instructor-led sessions, which is a live classes. A instructor will be coming and instructor will be taking the classes. Okay. So each class consists of 2 hours. So there will be one live technical class and there will be one project class. You will have a self-paced online training of 65 hours, right? And the remaining 4 hours is contributed to the live classes, right? So total you will be having 69 hours. Now you will be having the TA support for the IBM Community Discussion Board Forum for this entire 10-week duration. You will be having you will be getting the learning updates every week. Every Monday you will be getting a weekly schedule for what you will be having to go through for that particular week. You will be getting an update, learning update in your email. So and you will be having the knowledge check assessments, which are formative in nature, which means that after completing each module into the IBM Skills Build platform, you will be having a set of quizzes, which is mandatory. You will have to complete it in order to go on to the next module. And then you will be having a final project, which is progressive in nature. You will also be having a final quiz, right? Which is summative. So final quiz is something that you will complete all the self-paced course. And for example, let's say if there are 5 modules in this particular cybersecurity course, after completing these 5 modules, you will be taken to a final quiz and a final project. So this final quiz comprises of the questions which you would have gone through in those 5 modules, right? So you will have a set of 10 questions. So which is necessary for you to clear that final quiz, as well as you will have to complete the final project. And also you will have to complete the self-paced course as well in order to achieve your recognitions, which is a certificate and digital credential, right? And then we have the digital credential, which has been verified by Credly. So more details about these recognition certificate and the digital credentials, I will let you know in the upcoming slides. So if you have any questions on this part, please do let me know and I can help you with it. Okay, I've been told to complete the pre-work activity before 20th October. I did not understand where will I get the pre-work or what exactly I need to do. Do not worry, Kumera. So the pre-work link has been already shared with you in your welcome email itself. Don't worry, today after the session, you will be receiving the post-session email. So in that email, you will be receiving the pre-work link, or else we can ask our team also to share the pre-work link right now. You can save it and you can start working on the pre-work. So only if you complete your pre-work, you will be getting access to the main course. Okay. And can we access to AI course from SkillUp? You will be accessing the AI course in the IBM Skills Build platform. Linda. And what is the specific time classes would be on? So I think our team is helping you with an answer into it. Yes, the final project will be graded. So don't worry. 69 hours is a total duration for the 10 weeks. It's not for 1 week. It is for the 10 week. Okay. So 3 months this course will be going on, right? I'm sorry, 2.5 months, right? So the 69 hours is a duration you will have to contribute for this entire 10 weeks. So how can I do the final project? So don't worry. So this all the instructions you will be getting it as and when you near to that particular stage. You will receive all the instructions, guidelines, everything from our team via email. Not to worry. Will the final project be live? I'm not understanding your question, Abdullah. Can you be more specific? Live in the sense like, yeah, you will. I think you will have to do it. You'll have to do it, and you'll have to submit it with us via email. So don't worry. All the project guidelines and everything will be shared with you as I told you. So not to worry. So the classes will be, you will have one class in third week of the course, and you will have class in 8th week. So one technical class you will have in third week, and one project class you will be having in the 8th week of the course. Okay. Can I use an iPad to complete this course? Yes, you can. But in order to do your hands-on, so our courses are curated in such a way that it is not only theory based, you have hands-on as well. So in order to do your hands-on, you need to have a PC and you need to have a laptop, or you need to have a laptop. Yeah, it would be good if you could use a PC to attend your lessons so that it will be easy. So if the instructor is asking you to do some coding or anything, any hands-on, it will be easy for you also to perform. So I would suggest you to use your laptop or PC to attend the live sessions. Yes, you will have only 2 live sessions to attend, correct? So Madhava, you will be able to access that in our Skills Build platform as I told you. So don't worry, we will help you with it. Priya, can you please elaborate Madhava's question, please?
Yeah, all tools that Madam mentioned can be accessed through website, but how can I practice those? Madhava, I'm not very clear about what tools you are telling, but everything that you have on the platform, you can access it if you. It's better if you have a laptop. So every tool you can access through the laptops. A clear instructions is given on the platform about everything. And if you face any issues, then you can immediately write to us, and we will respond over that email. So if there's any issue, okay, so you can access everything through website, and you can practice along with it, because in modules we have the articles, well-defined articles, we have different videos, and if you go to the 48 features, so there you have simulations and demos, live simulations and demos, which will be performed, through which you will be able to practice. I hope this solves your question.
So I would suggest and I would recommend every participants to use your laptop or PC to go ahead with the to attend the live classes and final project. I think that would be great. Yeah, thank you so much. So I think our team will be answering all the questions. So let me just quickly move on to the next slide, right? So I hope this slide is clear to every one of you. Now we come on to the delivery framework, all right? So now this has been divided into 2 parts, which is the IBM Skills Build learning, and then is the encourage support, which you get from us, right? So the IBM Skills Build learning, this is mainly we are mentioning that all the learning which you will be going through in this 10 weeks are in the IBM Skills Build platform, all right? So where you will have the self-paced learning. So you will be going through all the self-paced modules in the IBM Skills Build platform, and then you will be going through the hands-on practical, where I mentioned the tools in the beginning of the slides like Wireshark and etc. And then you will be going through the final quiz and then the final project. So these will be the IBM Skills Build learning. Apart from this, you will also get an encourage support from us, which is the career insights from the mentors, and you will be having live sessions. I have told you that you will be having two live sessions. One is a technical session and other is a project class, right? And then you will be having a technical assistance support You will be having it in the IBM discussion board forum and also via email. All your questions and queries will be handled by our, technical assistance team. And you will be having gamified quizzes every week. Every Thursday, you will be announced of the gamified quizzes via email. And these quizzes will be posted in the IBM community board forum and you can play them. And then we have the IBM Community Discussion Board Forum, which is a very good platform where you can connect with your peers. And every day we keep engaging you with the technical posts, relevant news, and your weekly schedule. And any questions or queries you have, you can always reach us through the IBM Community Discussion Board Forum and also email. So email it is ibmskillsbuild.eu@skillup.online. So if you have any questions in this slide, please post it in the Q&A and I can help you with it. All right. So the criteria to select the participants is that, as I told you, that you will have to complete the pre-work. So we will discuss more on the pre-work in the upcoming slides, don't worry. So in order to get the access for the main course, you will have to complete the pre-work, which is just 1 hour of pre-work you have. So upon completion of the pre-work, you will get access to the main course. All right. Now, the delivery framework, again, we are going to talk on the assessments and evaluation strategy. So these evaluations, these are based on the performance of the learners. So you have self-assessment, which I already told you that upon completion of each module, you will be having a quiz related to the topic which you have gone through. And then you will have the course and final quiz and final project, right? So based on these both report, you will be assessed. Now the process. So the process is it is that you will have to complete all the self-paced courses. Okay, it's a mandatory courses. You will have to complete all the mandatory courses, and then before completing the self-paced mandatory courses, you will have to complete the pre-work, which is the preparatory training to access the program in cybersecurity before 20th of October. Okay, once after you complete the pre-work via email, you will be getting the learning plan link from us. And then you will have to make sure that you complete all the self-paced modules in the program in cybersecurity and attend live instructor-led classes. And then you'll have to complete the final quiz and final project. And then you can get your IBM certificate and digital credential. So this is the process. If you have any questions, please post it in the Q&A and I can help you with it. All right. So I hope everything is clear for you. So let me just quickly move on to the next slide. Now we are going to go in detail about the pre-work. Okay. So now Priya will help you in understanding the pre-work and its importance, and also will show you how to go ahead to complete the pre-work. All right. Over to you, Priya.
Thank you. So let me just quickly share my screen. Yeah. So for you to be eligible for the program in cybersecurity course, you need to first complete the pre-work, that is preparatory training on cybersecurity foundation. So this preparatory training needs to be completed before 20th October to get access to the main program. So now let me just show you how to do this preparatory training. Okay. So when I click on this link for the preparatory training, it opens up the cybersecurity foundation page for me. Okay. So it appears something like this: cybersecurity foundation pre-work. Okay. So when you go throughout this learning plan, you can see that you have to complete it before 20th of October. So this cybersecurity foundation or the pre-work is divided into 3 short modules. Okay. So first is the what is cybersecurity, then we have how is cybersecurity used, and next we have IBM and cybersecurity. Okay. So you click on what is cybersecurity, and this opens up a page for you, that is cybersecurity foundation. Okay. So what you need to do is Yeah, when you click on the first course, that is what is cybersecurity, this opens up this page for you where you need to click on go to activity. Okay, so you click on go to activity button, and this you have to do for all the courses. Like whenever you're clicking on one course, you need to click on go to activity button. So you can see that here it consists of different short modules of 2 minutes, 16 minutes durations. Okay, so you need to click on one course. Okay, read it, go through the entire content, and then you need to click on I have checked it out. And let's keep going. And similarly, you will be doing the tick mark will appear. Then you will be going for another, that is cybersecurity one. Here also, you just go through the contents. There are short videos also available in these courses. And when you go through it, then again, you need to click on I've checked it out, and let's keep going. So this is how you will be completing this each and every module of pre-work cybersecurity foundations. Okay, and then you will be eligible to get the link for the main course. Okay, so once you complete the pre-work, you will be receiving the main course link. Okay, and please be assured that you will be receiving it after a while, so do not panic if you don't receive it just like 1 hour after the course. Okay, it may take some time, but you will definitely be receiving the access to the main work once you complete the pre-work. But the thing that you need to remember is that it should be completed before 20th of October. Okay, next we have IBM Community Discussion Board Forum. So this IBM Community Discussion Board Forum, this is basically like a community forum where you will be, once you complete the pre-work, which I showed you right now. So once you complete the pre-work, you will be receiving two things. One is the link to the main course, that is program in cybersecurity, and another you will be receiving is the IBM Community Discussion Board Forum link. So this discussion board forum link, when you open this forum, there I'm getting add discussion option, but you will be seeing a option of request to join. You need to click on that request to join button, and then after sometimes like within 24 to 48 hours, you will be added to the forum. Okay, so you need to click on request to join and you will be added to the forum. So now let me discuss about what this forum is all about. So this forum, what we do is we post like on every week, every weekday we are posting from Monday to Friday some different things. So we have themes like on Monday, weekly schedule goes for entire 10-week duration. So starting from week 1 to week 10 on every Mondays, I will be posting weekly schedule for you, which you can follow to go through the course. So there I will be posting, okay, till week 1 you should cover these modules. So these are the modules to be covered in the week 1. So these are the modules to be covered in week 2. So like this on every Mondays you will be receiving a weekly schedule post on this forum. Okay, on Tuesdays and Fridays you will be receiving some technical posts like what are you can get anything about what is cybersecurity, how is cybersecurity revolutionizing the industry. So some technical posts you will be receiving on every Tuesdays and Fridays. Coming to Wednesdays, so Wednesdays you will be receiving some relevant news in the field of cybersecurity, like how the cybersecurity is evolving, what are different news in the industries related to the cybersecurities. And Thursdays we have the gamification quiz, which you will be receiving like on the forum. You will be getting a Kahoot quiz link, gamification quiz, or the Kahoot quiz link. Okay, and this link expires like within 4 to 5 days. So you need to, so once it is posted, you need to give the Kahoot quiz within 4 to 5 days. Okay, and these Kahoot quizzes are just to test your knowledge, and it's not a very mandatory part. It's just like a gamification quiz in which you can participate to test your knowledge, like what all you have gained in that particular week. Okay, so it's just to test your knowledge. So this is about the community discussion board forum. Apart from the post, one more thing you can do, that if you have any queries, so you can post it on this forum and I will get back to you with a solution. Okay, so there are two things to connect. One is the discussion board forum where you can post your queries and I will be answering those queries, or you can reach us over emails also. Okay, so these are two things that could be done. So to this discussion board forum, you can use to reply to the post. You can reply to the post that I will be doing there. You can reply to me, provide your comments, provide your suggestions, your feedbacks, and also if you have any queries related to the program in cybersecurity, you can post that also in the forum. I hope everything is clear to you, and please ask please post in the Q&A section if you have any questions, and I will get back to you. I hope everything is clear. Okay. Yeah, every Thursday, Jumanna, every Thursday we will be having a gamification quiz posted on the forum. Okay, and you can, these quiz are just to test your knowledge. Okay, and these, if you want, you can play these quizzes. It's completely up to you. Okay, over to you, Aishwarya.
Yeah, thank you, Priya. Share my screen. So now we have come to the very important part. So now we are going to talk on the certifications and digital credentials. So now you have three types of recognitions you will be receiving in this 10-week program, right? So the first recognition is that the inbuilt skills build platform certificate. Okay. So I don't want to confuse you much. Let me be more clear. So if you complete the cybersecurity fundamentals, if you complete all the self-paced modules and the required activities in this program in cybersecurity, you will receive an inbuilt certificate from the Skills Build platform. All right. So in order to claim that, you will have to go to the actions drop-down menu and click on the completion certificate. You can download it from the platform. Okay. So this is one certificate you will be receiving it from the platform. Second is that the digital credential verified by Credly. So this is again it's an inbuilt one. You will be receiving it from the platform. So once you complete the cybersecurity fundamentals, once you complete that course, you will have to complete all the required activities like passing all the graded quizzes and final assessments and complete the practice simulations, everything. Once after you finish it, you are eligible for the digital credentials, which has been verified by Credly. So you will have to create an account with Credly to download your digital badge. So to create an account with Credly, you will have the steps, everything mentioned in the platform only. Once you come to this step, it will be there in the platform. So do not worry, you just read the instructions clearly and carefully and start to create a Credly account, and then you can download your digital badge. So this credential is available only to the registered users of the IBM Skills Build. Okay. And then we come to the third type of recognition, which is the IBM Skills Build and Skill Up Online Together certificate. All right. So in order to claim this third certificate, you will have to complete all the self-paced modules and attend all the instructor-led live classes, complete the final project, and then you can get your IBM and Skill Up completion certificate. So if you have any questions in this, please do let me know and I can help you with it. Please post it in the Q&A. I'm sorry, please post it in the Q&A box and you will be able to, and I'll help you with the answer. So there are no questions in for this particular slide. I hope this is clear to every one of you. Yeah, Jumana, so you should be attending the live classes for more clarification. If you have any doubts, you can ask the instructor live and everything. But if you are not able to attend the live classes due to some reasons, you can just watch the recordings also. That is also fine. I'm sorry, I did not understand your question, Rajeshwari Ramamurthy. What if we can't get 80% credentials? I don't understand that. So, in order to get your credential, you need to complete that prescribed set of courses. Okay, only if you complete that and with the mandatory quizzes and everything, once only if you complete it, you will be able to get your credential. So, if you have any questions when you come to that part, you can always email us, you can contact us, and we can help you with it. Don't worry. And Rajeshwari, if you can clear me with the question, I can help you with the answer. All right, so it's we will quickly move on to the next slide. Now we are going to come to the career conversations. Okay, so what are career conversations? So career conversations is about the encouragement and the guidance which you will be receiving from the IBM industry experts who are voluntarily sharing their experiences for your career exploration. Okay, so these are the steps to sign up for career conversation. All these details we will be emailing you. So do not worry. Okay. So you will be creating your mentoring interest profile, and then you will be getting matched. So what profile you will need, an IBM volunteer will be assigned to you, and you can get your expert guidance from the IBM volunteer, and you can connect with the mentor and also request for a session. Okay, so I will talk in detail onto this. So these career conversations are like connecting with the IBM mentors. So this offer is given to the people who are studying the course with us, which is the IBM, who are registered users of IBM Skills Build. So you can benefit from the experience of industry professionals and experts in the area of career choice, technical and people skill development, portfolio building, networking, job search, and more, right? So IBM mentors will guide you in this following areas. So you can you can request for a session. So the sessions are very flexible and sessions are very flexible and it can be conducted online or in person. So this duration will be of 30 minutes to 1 hour. So it can be a one-time session, or if you want to repeat the session, you can ask them for a session, and then the matching will be based on the interest and the volunteers expertise, right? So more details, if you want, we will be also sharing it via email. If you have any questions onto this, please post it in the chat Q&A box and I can help you. Right? So these are, you will be meeting an IBM mentor or a coach who is ready for career conversations with you. You can connect with them by signing up the career conversation. So we will be sharing the link with you, and you can sign up and you can put in all your requirements, and based on that you can choose your IBM guide or mentor, and you can start your conversations. Okay. So now again, let me again humbly request you to please register your presence in the link which is being provided. So our team members are again, sharing the attendance link in the chat. Please make sure that if those who have not your attendance, sorry, those who have not marked your attendance, please make sure to mark your attendance in the link provided. So there must be learners who have joined us late. So if you have not done it, I humbly request you to please go ahead and mark your presence in the link provided. So once you click onto the link, it will take you to the IBM Skills Build platform. And on the right corner, you can see mark activity as complete. So click on that. It will, the duration showcase there. It will be 1 hour. Make it as 1 hour and then click complete. Then your attendance will be marked. If you have any questions or queries regarding your attendance link, please post it in the Q&A and our team is here to help
जाती
you
हूँ
with it.
अम्मी मैं थोड़ा सा काम कर रही हूँ
The
अपना
link is being displayed in the chat. Please open the chat and you can take the link.
इस घर में है कोई और भी मेरे अलावा जो दरवाज़ा खोल देगा
Okay, so now let's come on to the few FAQs. Now, this PPT will be found in our platform. So, as I told you, you will be receiving a
2 minutes.
post-session email along with the recording of the session and also this PPT. So, don't worry, you can just go through these FAQs in that. Yeah, and I will just brush up through some common FAQs which is, required. So the sessions, the how the training will be delivered. So training for the live classes will be delivered via interactive virtual sessions conducted by a virtual instructor. I told you that you will be having 2 live sessions for this particular program, and you will be always having a TA team and facilitators who will be supporting you throughout the self-paced learning. So don't worry, the study material and the session recordings will be available in our platform throughout the course. You can access whenever you want. So you can also post questions to the instructor during the live sessions using the live chat option, like how I am taking the session right now. If you have any questions, you're posting in the Q&A. Similar way, you can also do it during the live session as well. And hands-on sessions will be conducted using the online virtual labs. So as I told you, you will need a laptop or a desktop with a stable internet connection to perform all these hands-ons. And as I keep telling you that our technical assistance team is always there to help you with your queries through live chat and email support. And all the recordings of the session are available in the LMS. So you can log in into the Skills Build platform to access the recordings at any point of time. So the study material and the session recordings will be available throughout the course. So you can access them as needed. So internet speed should be like of 5 Mbps. You can always check your internet speed in
अम्मी
fast.com.
नहीं.
So if you have any questions, please post it in the Q&A box and we can help you with it. So, so the live video streaming sessions use the concept of a virtual classroom. So learners attend live sessions with an instructor present and receive training as if you're attending the session in a classroom. So you will be always having the concept of a virtual classroom. The class sessions are supplemented by virtual labs, and post-session technical support is also provided to you to resolve all your queries. So do not worry. So if you have any questions or queries, always reach out to us at ibmskillsbuild.eu at skillup.online. We are here to help you with it. So now our team has already started displaying the feedback link in the chat. Please take a minute or two to kindly fill up the feedback. Every input of yours is so much valuable to us. So it keeps us growing and it keeps us improving in every sessions which we provide. So kindly take a minute or two to fill up this feedback form, which is given in the link. The link is being given in the chat. So kindly, fill it up